the universal shocked expression in anime, brought to you by the Speedrun Drawing channel. So the idea behind this expression is it's chaotic and it's, shocked, right? So when we're shocked, our eyes tend to increase in size, making our pupil appear tiny in relation. We can make the eyelash lines somewhat chaotic and, very far apart. We can add the eyes here, the lines by the eyes here, but we may not. In my comics, I typically don't add anything around, just keep it like this. Maybe our nose, our mouth can do something wild like this. And, maybe there's a little bit even of shadow showing up under our eyes because we are so shocked. Okay. Of course, our eyebrows will do something wild like this. Maybe we are sad. We have tears going down our eyes. Okay, as a bonus, we can have the line of our face. This is very not perfect. Ears. Our hair going on all sorts of wild directions because we are just so shocked. And our neck, maybe our shoulders are lifted way up like this. Let us add some more hair. Whatever, this is not even a hair drawing tutorial, and that's about it. I think this character looks shocked. Also, if you're like me and imitate the expressions of your characters, when you draw them, your family is probably really laughing right now. Okay? If you liked this at all in any way, shape, or form, please like and subscribe to the Speedrun Drawing channel. Okay, I'm sorry, but we need some shading. Okay, now bye.